In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set or change your preferences in COR. To open the preferences, go to the COR menu or the Help menu and select Preferences. Select the Platform Preferences from the list on the left. Enter your company name, select your default currency from the drop-down menu, choose your preferred date format from the drop-down menu, select your preferred font by checking the Report Font checkbox. This will activate the font list for selection. Select Accounting Preferences from the list on the left. The Accounting Preferences consists of 5 tabs. Let's start with the Defaults tab. Select your default workspace. Choose any views you would like to have available with the default workspace. Select your default currency from the drop-down menu. Set preferences for each of the remaining tabs. Select the Payable tab. Change the pre-selected finance account and liability schedule if needed. Choose any views you would like to have available with the Payable Voucher view. Services available. Select a service checkbox. We'll open a checklist selection dialog. The list contains the names of consumers requesting permission to access a service. Selecting consumers will be allowed access to the service. You may choose the services from the list or select the All Consumer option. Any changes to a service access list or service availability will require a restart to take effect. Select the Receivable tab. Select your preferences from each option. Choose the default Receivables Finance account, Invoice Schedule. Choose from the 4 invoice layout options. From the Terms drop-down menu, select from the Terms list. Choose your default logo. Choose any available views you would like to have with the receivable view. Lastly, choose to allow access to the services available. Select the Finance tab. Choose from the 3 check layout options. Choose any available views that you would like to have open with the Finance view. Again, choose to allow access to services available. Click Apply. Select the address preferences from the list on the left. Choose your address layout preference. US and 2 international layout choices are available. Click Apply and Close. You have now learned how to customize your default workspace settings and layouts to fit your specific needs.